Affinity version 3 can finally save native EPUB files. So let me show you how you can export your project. Simply head to File menu at the top left and select Export. Then confirm, select Export again, and you will have this long list of different files. Head to the bottom and you will see two different categories. We got EPUB with the fixed layout, so exactly like in your document. You can decide between different sizes, or you can just follow your document settings. So if you set everything correctly in your document, you don't need to worry about this. Or you can size it down or even size it up. You can actually see the size of your pages on the right hand side. But some of you may want to have this smart EPUB with the reflow of the text. That's also possible. So here it is. It's like separate format, you can say. So keep that in mind. In the middle you see your preview, but you can do Command- and Command+ to zoom in and out. If you want to export all of the pages in the same time, be sure all pages is selected, because you can also export just spread or current selected page. So be sure all pages selected. If you got any images and you want to keep them in high resolution, keep the DPI as 300, but if you want to size down the file, you want to make the file smaller, play with that number. Maybe 150 will be enough, but keep in mind you may lose some image resolution. It will not affect the text or shapes, only raster images. Alright, then you can quickly inspect all other options. It's a bit similar to PDF, so you can decide on the quality of images and on the cover page. And then you can select which page is the cover page. After that, just simply click Export. And here it is in my book reader on my Mac. It's correctly opening. This one was rather simple, just a text. So that's how you can export to a native EPUB in the new Affinity version 3. Be sure you're on the version 3, as this is a new feature. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.